All right. I am back doing some stuff on music. I have a small playlist for the love of music, and this new band, well, new to me, called the Steel Woods. They're out of Nashville, Tennessee, and I believe they're all from the South somewhere. I know the lead singer was born in Alabama. They might be from Alabama, Tennessee, that area. But to me, this band is still unknown, underrated, and the more I listen to them, the more I'm convinced that they're here to stay. The Steel Woods. They remind me a lot. I hate to compare bands to other bands, but well, I don't want to say who they remind me of, but they definitely have true blue, red, white, and blue American soul. And I don't call it soul music, but they've got American soul. And to me, it's just rock and roll. And it would be Southern rock. And I grew up in the South. So for me, this hits home for me. When I hear this, it brings me back home to the stuff that I was born and raised with. And there's definitely a country flair. There's a hardcore rock flair. And there's blues based in it. And it was really hard for me to pick a song to do this video because I've got all three albums, and they have quite a few seriously good songs and arrangements. And the more I listen to them, the more they sink in. And so I just wanted to pay them a little tribute and share their music with people that don't know that they're out there, because they came to me kind of as a surprise. I like to hunt down new music, and these guys just kill it. And also wanted to say real quick, I just discovered that I think it's the lead guitarist. His name is Jason Cope. He recently passed away, and I don't know what this is going to do to the band, but may he rest in peace and travel on to the next world with music in his soul and grace. Because it's sad that this band is just so amazing and they lost their guitar player, and I don't know how. I don't know the details. They haven't published the details about how his passing went, but may he rest in peace. And I hope you guys stay together, and I hope you guys keep making this kind of music, because I love it, and personally I think America loves it, and I think that this is American music, and I want to support that. So this is the Steel Woods. And I'll go through a couple of the lyrics and stuff like that, and I might stop the song here and there, and then probably play the full song at the end of the video so you can hear the whole thing. And I recommend definitely listening to them, and listen to it more than once, because it's so beautifully produced, and it will sink into you if you like this kind of music. So here we go with the Steel Woods. This one is called Out of the Blue, and it actually it means a lot to me, because I went through a recent rough patch in my life, and went through some surgery. I'm still recovering from it, and it gave me the blues. It just put me down, put me out. It was heavy mentally, heavy emotionally, and heavy spiritually. And I'm on the other side of that. So this song is near and dear to me, because I feel like I'm coming out of the blue, or out of the blues. So here we go. Out of the Blue, the Steel Woods. That hits hard. That is just rock and roll.
I'm not sure what's changed since yesterday, but the birds are singing a new tune. I finally come out of the blue. I finally come out of the blue. These eyes in the mirror look so much clearer. It's hard to believe that it's true. I finally come out of the blue, Lord. I finally come out of the blue.
right, so here we go. He's just talking about his eyes getting clearer, seeing things clearer, and coming out of the blues, and struggling through life like we all do. But listen closely to the way it's arranged. It's a simple song. The way that it's arranged is not super complicated, but it's just it's well balanced. The guitar, the rhythm guitar, the blues, the bass is just so well balanced in there. And Wes Bayless, the singer, man, what a voice! He has got a voice. Listen to some other songs. He can let it wail. He's got some lungs. He can sing hard. He can sing slow. He can sing real soft and beautiful. So let's keep going here.
I never saw myself coming through. I finally come out of the blue, Lord. I finally come out of the Well, it's dark as a well down there in hell, where everything reminds me of you. But I finally.
A little pause here. It's dark as a well down there in hell, where everything reminds me of you. It's such simple lyrics, but they ring true. He is just, he's just got the blues, man. And he's letting it out and he's sharing it with you. And that's what's so beautiful about the blues is we can all relate to it. And hopefully this will make you, like me, finally come out of the blues.
Come out of the blue, Lord. I finally come out of the blue. I've seen red, I've seen white, I've seen death, I've seen life, but I never saw myself coming through. I finally come out of the blue, Lord. I finally come out of the blue.
And there's a female vocalist back there backing him up, just doing those like harmonies and that little wail that she just did. I don't know who she is. I should look her up, but man, she has got an amazing voice too, and it fits right in there. Right in there. It's right in the pocket, the way that it's produced, the way that it's laid out. Fits right in there perfectly. She's on a couple other tracks here and there too, and just beautiful. Just an amazing female vocalist somewhere in there. So somebody could comment down below and tell me who it is, what her name is, and give her some props. And then I'm gonna let it roll here, but listen to that guitar. I mean, that lead guitar is, I don't know what to say. It just rips. So listen to that.
It's the writing of a wrong, the writing of a song, and thin air becomes something new. I've finally come out of the blue. I finally come out of the blue, Lord. I finally come out of the blue. Oh, I finally come out of the blue.
All right, so there you have it, the Steel Woods, Out of the Blue. Give them a listen. Put them in your truck, put them in your car, put them in your SUV or your hybrid. Turn that shit up and let it get into your bones. Steel Woods. Keep an eye out for them because this kind of talent ain't going away, man. These guys are on it. They're tapped into something. So thank you very much to the Steel Woods. Keep making music, and let's turn the ship around.
Not sure what has changed since yesterday, but the birds are singing a new tune. I finally come out of the blue. I finally come out of the blue. Oh, these eyes in the mirror look so much clearer. It's hard to believe that it's true. I finally come out of the blue, Lord. I finally come out of the blue. I've seen red, I've seen white, I've seen death, I've seen life. I never saw myself coming through. I finally come out of the blue, Lord. I finally come out of the blue. Well, it's dark as a well down there in hell, where everything reminds me of you. But I finally come out of the blue, Lord. I finally come out of the blue. I've seen red, I've seen white, I've seen death, I've seen life, but I never saw myself coming through. I finally come out of the blue, Lord. I finally come out of the blue. It's the righting of a wrong, the writing of a song, and thin air becomes something new. I've finally come out of the blue. I finally come out.